Oh, there's the baby. I'm pretty sure I see the baby to her left on the branch. Hi, Fluff. Yes. And I can hear it. Thank God. Fluff's baby just fell out of the tree. I think she got pushed and landed on top of this hedge. Oh no. Poor Fluffy's flipped out already. She accidentally knocked her baby off the branch. It flew down and landed in the top corner of this hedge, and it's presumably either tucked away or stuck. Hopefully she can see it. But a neighbor's dog came running up and is acting like a coyote and has really flipped her out. It was very aggressive. Oh, good. Babies are a whole different story, though. You know, it wouldn't take. Come down, Fluff. Hi, baby. Baby Fluff. Somehow, I just heard a flap. I was talking to this lady and just heard a flapping. Oh, baby, are you okay? Are you limping? It had a hard landing when it tried to get into the tree. It just fell. Oh, Fluffy just landed on that roof hard. Come down, Fluff. Oh, Fluff. Oh, this poor hen. I can't wait for this baby to get as big as Crookies and we can all rest a little easier. Poor mother. Hi, Miss Fluffyleg. Miss Fluffyleg. Well, glad you're all calmed down now. Looks like the baby's walking okay. Hi, baby. Well, they've been standing like this. Miss Fluffyleg's been holding that pose for nearly 5 minutes. Oh, baby sneezed. Hi, baby Fluff. You sweet little pea. Well, I don't see him, but I hear him. There's got to be Crookie and her babies right there. Wow, I wonder how long they've been up here with these guys. Oh, and there's the wee pea preening its mom. Wow, that chick is big. Ooh, it's like double or triple the size of Fluffy. Look at how they're all up here this morning. I wonder if the peas went inside. When I first showed up, there was a bunch of, most of these guys were inside. I don't think the chicks were up there, but you never know. All these chicks, hello babies. Hello. Oh. Crookie's regulating hard. Ooh. Morning. Seems like they came over the roof over here after their raid. Hello. Oh, you get your bits. Yes, it's me. It's Uncle Bill. Hi, baby. Crook, crook. Oh, they're all singing away. Oh. Hi, Weepy. Yeah, he's becoming a little hunter now. There you go. You get your bits. There you go, Mama. You did a good job feeding your baby. Well, we haven't featured the likes of you. I think he's one of the young boys. Come on, buddy. You're okay. Look at you. You are gorgeous. Oh, yeah, he's still not quite adult plumage, or still looks like he's got his junior train there. But he's got some real train growing in now. Attaboy. No idea which one this is anymore. Never did figure out who was who after they removed them. Lord Tesla is going into the patrolman's car. What the heck? Tesla, what are you doing? Well, the patrol guy chased him away from the car door. Then he walked over to me for a second, but yeah, I think he was looking for food. Yeah, I didn't have any, and the patrol guy didn't have any. He's off to get his salad. Hello, Tesla. Look at you. You got some beautiful eye spots coming out already. Woo. I found you. You went on a little road trip there, huh? I wish you'd come to Mom's house. You know you and the baby Fluff will be safe there. Yeah. Madame Le Fluff. Baby, what are you doing? Baby's acting a little strange. I hope everything's okay. What's the matter, Fluff? Baby looks full. Oh. Oh. Cleaning up Mom. Just came to do an afternoon check-in with Miss Fluffyleg, and we found her. She's moved back to Craig where she started. The chick looks stuffed. I'm not sure if peacocks have crops or not, but if they do, that chick has a stuffed one. The base of its neck is bulging. Fluff looks interested in feeding herself, so. Oh, baby's just getting a little sun.